Hi friends, I am Meenakshi Chaudhary and today I will discuss some present continuous sentences with you. So let's start. The first sentence is I am going there. We generally say this in English, but in Hindi we have to say that मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ. So the second sentence is I am eating food. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. The third sentence is I am buying fruits. मैं फल खरीद रहा हूँ. Buying means खरीदना. The fourth sentence is I am playing. मैं खेल रहा हूँ. Play means खेलना. And there is ing, it means the work is going on. The fifth sentence is I am reading a book. मैं एक किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. Read means पढ़ना. Here is ing, it means the work is going on. The sixth sentence is I am speaking. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. I am speaking. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Speak means बोलना. Speak means बोलना. You notice one thing? That all sentences have verb plus ing. Now the seventh sentence. I am listening. मैं सुन रही हूँ. Listen means सुनना. Listen plus ing, it means listen is a verb, then verb plus ing. Now the eighth sentence. I am singing. मैं गा रही हूँ. Sing means गाना. Plus ing, it means गा रही हूँ. Now the ninth sentence. I am walking. मैं चल रही हूँ. Walk means चलना. Plus ing, it means the work is going on. Now the 10th sentence. I am running. मैं दौड़ रही हूँ. Run, दौड़ना. Run means दौड़ना. Here is plus ing. It means I am continue running. So friends, in my next video, I will discuss more grammar sentences with you. If you like, please hit the like button and share this video. Goodbye.